Hi guys, happy Thursday, good morning. I just wanted to hop on real quick to kind of go over what you're going to be doing today for day 4. We're going to start off with a morning meeting question. And so I picked this card and it says, would you rather travel to outer space or under the sea and why? So between under the sea and outer space, I think I'd rather go to outer space. I just feel like it'd be really cool to see all the planets and all the stars like up close. And then once you get to whatever planet you're going to look back at Earth from that perspective would be really cool. So I'm curious to see where you guys would go and why. So go ahead and comment below about if you would go to outer space or go search the deep blue sea. Okay, and then make sure to tell us why. So to get you guys started, what you're going to be doing for day 4 in language arts is making your living thing informational writing. So you're going to need your research from Monday, a paper, and a pencil. So you're going to use your living thing research to write an informational book. Organize your writing using a table of contents, headings, and different chapters. Don't forget to use your own words when writing your book. Take pictures of each page and upload them to Class Dojo. So we sort of started this in class, but we started with a table of contents. So you researched a living thing, and majority of us organized already into subtopics. Like we put our notes together into a subtopic. So you just want to take those subtopics and create sections for your book. So on your table of contents page, you might write chapter 1, what's the heading? What is that subtopic? Plant life cycle, for example. Chapter 2 in my book might be different types of plants. Chapter 3 might be how to plant, and then I would keep going. So you want to make sure that each chapter has a subtopic and a heading. When you start making your book, make sure you include your headings, all the information you know, and then go ahead and add some fun nonfiction text features, because nonfiction books have tons of information that aren't just in like the words. There's pictures, there's captions, labels, the index. You can make an index, you can make the glossary, and just look at other nonfiction books if you have them around, like see what they have and what you could add to your book. At the end, you can upload pages of your book, or if you want, you could upload a video of you reading your book, whichever one you're comfortable with. So just either one works for me. And then for math, what you're going to be doing is an ice cream pictograph or pictograph. So you're going to need paper and pencil for this. And the first part, what you're going to do is conduct a survey with your family members to determine which ice cream they like the most. So it lists flavors on the plan, but you could just pick your own if you want. It's chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, and cherry. And so first what you would do, remember when you take a survey, you kind of come up with, I did an example, you come up with a tally chart. So I listed all the flavors here. And then as I asked people, I would record a tally in whichever flavor is their favorite. And remember, you can ask people at home. You could also like call friends and other family. Just say I'm doing an activity, just so you can have more data. Because I know some of us may not have like tons of people at home. So you might not have a ton of data, but you could always call other people and ask. And so then after that, you're going to create the pictograph or pictograph to match your answers. So remember, a pictograph uses a symbol to show the data, like how many votes that category got. So your table is going to look pretty similar to your tally chart. Let me show you an example. So you might start with like your big box. And then again, you want to list your flavors. So we had chocolate. And then I'll just do vanilla just to give you guys an example. So as I'm making it, it might look like something like this. Like I'm listing the flavors, and then I'm gonna make a symbol to show how many votes it got. So if I'm looking at my tally chart that I made when I asked people, chocolate has 5 tallies. So off to the side, I'm gonna make my key. And maybe I'll do like a star equals 1 vote. Does that make sense? And so if I have 5 people that voted for chocolate, I would do 5 stars. Like that. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do today. So you can pick your own flavors, but make sure to make like a tally chart. And then once you have all your votes in, you wanna make the picture graph with a key to show what symbol and what it means. And then after that, there's some questions on the sheet that you wanna answer. So the first question would be, which ice cream do most of your family members like? And you should be able to get all this information from the chart you made. Which ice cream flavor does your family members like the least? How do you know? Upload your photos of your work to the portfolio. So make sure, take a survey, make the picture graph, answer the questions, and then upload that. Okay? So that's what you're doing for day 4. Just remember, like, don't stress about technology issues. Message me if you have any questions. Just keep yourselves happy and healthy. Check in when you can, and I hope you have a great day, guys.